Now a sender might want to send a lot of packets, but then we'll not be able to send all the packets at a time. So per unit time, how many packets we can send. So this is called as the rate. And now we have to have a control over the rate, so that how many ever packets are being produced by the sender, we should always maintain a constant rate at the output. So the interface task here is, the interface means the agent between the sender and the network. Its task here is to smooth out the traffic. Smoothing out means, what I can tell you is, let us say a sender is sending a lot of packets. So later we are going to see something called as token bucket and leaky bucket. So what we are supposed to do here is, what are all the packets that are going to be given by the sender? All those packets have to be stored in the buffer. Right, this is also called as a queue, and from this queue we send them out at a constant rate, at the rate at which network is able to handle. Right, even though the sender is producing 100 packets per second, the network may not be able to handle 100 packets per second. Let us say it is able to handle only 10 packets per second. Then we'll buffer the remaining packets in the buffer, and then we send those 10 packets per second. Got it? So another method of congestion control is to shape the traffic before it enters the network. Right? See, the other one we have already seen, that slow start one. This slow start is one method. So this is the other method. Now traffic shaping controls the rate at which packets are sent. So once we decide that the packets have to go out at a rate of 10 packets per second, that is what we are going to follow throughout. And during the connection establishment, the sender and the carrier negotiate a traffic pattern. So how do you know that there has to be only 10 packets per second? That is what you are going to negotiate with the network. Got it? So you are going to negotiate with the network how many packets it can take per second, and depending on that you are going to maintain your outflow. So how to do this? We are going to do this mainly by two algorithms. One is called as leaky bucket and the other one is called as token bucket. We shall see both of them. Okay.